Okay, in this second tutorial, I'm going to show you what widgets are and how they represent what is actually happening on your website. So, first of all, you obviously have to be logged into your account, and then you would go down here to Appearances and then click on Widgets. Okay, so let's just wait for that to load. And as we scroll down here, we can see all of the widget area here. These are the actual widgets that show up on your site, and these are the available widgets that you can use. So let's first start off with the main right side, the right sidebar area. So if we go to your site, I'm just going to refresh the page. And don't worry about that. I'm going to fix that. I've just been playing around with the size of the image. So here on the right side, this sidebar image here, or this right, oh crikey, the right sidebar navigation, this is what is reflected in your widget. So what I mean by that is, if you look here, it says search. So you have a little search bar here. So if you go back to widgets, and we're in the main right sidebar area, you can see there is a search widget. Okay, so if we open it, you could give it another title, doesn't matter, you can just write anything random just to show you. And then once it's saved, then we can go back to the web page and then just refresh, and then this is going to say hey. Alright, so obviously we don't want it to say hey, we want it to say business news as it said, or categories as it said before. So let me just delete that, and let's save that. And let's just go back here and refresh. Or search, sorry, didn't say business use. Right, so then it says search again. Right, so the next one down, let's just close this widget. The next one down are all your recent posts, and it is titled as business news. Okay, so here it's written business news, and it has 6 posts. Now you can control how many posts you want to show in your sidebar. So if we go here, it says business news, and it can guarantee you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 posts. Okay, so that's how you can control how many posts show up on the right side. Okay, so let's close that out. And then you have a custom HTML widget which contains the code for your ad that's inside of your right hand side sidebar. So if we scroll down here, there's your GrooveFunnels ad. And then if we just go back again, just to close that, we have the categories. We didn't choose a title for it, so it's just going to choose the default name, which is categories. And how that is reflected on your home page is here, categories. And these are all of the categories that are pulled in from Authority Presswire. Okay, these are not your categories, these are the Authority Presswire categories. Now I'll make a point of saying they're not your categories because I'm going to come back to that later and show you how to add your own custom categories.